2026 is here, and this is the time of year where I review and rebuild all of my systems. What worked, what broke, and what needs to get more efficient as we scale. So today, I'm breaking down my full real estate tech stack, the tools I use to run my rental portfolio, communicate with my team, and stay organized across every property that we own. And I'm also going to show you how Baselane fits into the front of that stack, because a strong financial system should always be the foundation of your business. So let's start with the financial side, because this is the core of any real estate business. So the first tool in my 2026 tech stack is a sponsor of today's video, Baselane. It centralizes the most painful part of being an investor: your banking, bookkeeping, rent collection, and reporting. So here's what I mean. When you manage rental properties the old way, your money is scattered in different banks, random transfers, messy categorization, and a bunch of spreadsheets trying to glue it all together. Baselane fixes that by becoming your financial operating system for rentals. It's built specifically for real estate investors, so it actually understands what we need. I love that you can open and create property-specific banking accounts in minutes for multiple entities, unlimited checking and savings sub-accounts that you can label like security deposits, maintenance reserves, utilities, etc. to keep everything clean and separated. Automatically tag transactions with AI, bulk upload and automatic receipts for transactions, automatically collect rent, set reminders, and charge late fees, get real-time reporting, NOI, cash flow, etc., and even compare performance per property, and download everything for tax time in seconds. Everything connects automatically, and it eliminates hours of manual work that every investor hates doing. Baselane combines banking, bookkeeping, and rent collection to streamline your rental finances to give you a clear view of your cash flow so you can start scaling smarter and faster. Sign up using my link, baselane.com/Sean, and get a $100 cash bonus. The next tool is one that I've used since day one, and even though it looks old school, it's still really important to have, and that's Google Sheets. Google Sheets is where I track when insurance renewals are due, links to pay my property taxes, which LLC owns what, a chart to track every property's net performance. And all my property analysis calculators and mortgage path calculators, the ones that I personally use, are all built on Sheets. The next tool is Google Drive, which basically holds all of my documents for my real estate business. So inside Drive, I keep my statements, pictures of properties, 1099s, inspections, receipts, W-9s, notes on properties, renovation videos, contracts, insurance declaration pages, and much more. So that way, if I ever need anything, I can easily pull up on Google Drive, even if I'm halfway across the world. The fourth tool I use is a little unique, and that's Apple Preview. It's the default PDF viewer on Macs. But besides being a PDF viewer, I can also sign documents on there. So leases, addendums, contract agreements. They can all be handled digitally, so I don't need to print and scan anything. Now this next category of tools is all about keeping my team aligned and making communication fast and simple. So the first tool in that bucket is Slack. And this is a tool where I use to talk to my virtual assistants and assign tasks without needing to jump on a call every time. So on Slack, we talk about any priority issues, scheduling, renovation updates, any invoices we have, and new deals we're analyzing. Everything runs smoother on Slack and just a chat platform to have. Now tool number 6 is Gmail. So obviously for email, I just use Gmail, and we use it to communicate more formally with our contractors, insurance companies, property managers, lenders, escrow officers, tax assessors, HOAs, etc. Gmail is obviously very nice to use because it gives you 15 gigabytes of free data, so you can use as storage to keep any records in case you need to go back and check on something. Anyways, you guys know what email is for, so we don't need to get too much into this. Now the next tool that we use is great because when we're traveling abroad, we can use WhatsApp or FaceTime to communicate with our team. The whole point of using these tools instead of just your regular phone is that when you're overseas, you have to pay heavy international call fees. By using these tools, I'm able to call my contractors or property management team internationally and able to handle urgent issues quickly. Tool number 8 is one that doesn't get enough attention, and that's LastPass. It's a great way that I use to store my passwords. The best part about storing your passwords here is that you can share them with team members without giving away the actual passwords. So if you're trying to give a team member access to one of your property manager's portals, but you don't give them the actual passwords, then LastPass is a very great option for you. The next section of tools are ones that I use to help my deal analysis. And the first one is ClickUp. It's a project management software that I use for keeping track of projects, due diligence checklists, closing checklists, task assignments, and recurring reminders. So I find it much easier to use a tool like ClickUp instead of just typing everything up on a Google Doc. And when I want a process to be repeatable, it lives on ClickUp. Tool number 10 is Zillow and Redfin. So while it might not be 100% accurate, I think it's a great start to start analyzing my deals. So I use them to check comps, get a quick sense of the market, look at rents, and I track appreciation. So Zillow and Redfin, they're fast and reliable, and they're great for letting me stay plugged into my target markets. And the last tool is one of my most used now, and unsurprisingly, is ChatGPT. So it really helps me synthesize my thoughts and just put it onto paper. So I use ChatGPT now to write emails to my team of property managers, create SOPs, draft checklists, map out renovation timelines, and brainstorm solutions. It basically works as my second brain. So that's my full 2026 real estate tech stack. Not just the tools that I use, but the tools that I would recommend if anyone is serious about building a solid real estate portfolio. Baselane is a financial foundation, and then everything else layers on top depending on what you need. So you can use Sheets for analysis, Drive and Preview for documents, Slack, Gmail, WhatsApp for communication, LastPass for security, ClickUp for tax management, Zillow and Redfin for comps, and ChatGPT for almost anything else. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this helps you build a cleaner, smarter system going into 2026. Take care.